Welcome to the underwater world of wonders. Today, we're following Jessica, a curious little explorer who's getting a very special experience. Her dad won a special after-hours family tour of the aquarium for being the best salesman of the month. Let's join Jessica as she discovers some amazing creatures up close.
In today's lesson, I'll show you one of the easiest ways I've found to create educational content, perfect for kids, and you can do this in only a few different steps. Let's get started. Alright, so to create our kids' story video, the first step is going to be for me to pick a topic. So I've come to ChatGPT, and I've asked it to help me come up with some ideas for a new video about a child's first visit to an aquarium. Next, it gave me these ideas. So I chose one of them and asked for a rewrite since it wasn't quite what I wanted. Then I asked it to give me more. Then I asked it to help me write a 3-minute script for this one. It gave me this so very detailed response with scenes, descriptions, what the narrator would say, and more. Eventually, I got the script that I'll use today. If I wanted to make changes, I could, but for now, I'm going to take this and go on to the next step, which is turning this text into an audio version that people can listen to. Now I'm in 11 Labs. This is my favorite tool to create my audio narrations for my stories. I highly recommend this AI text-to-speech generator. The pricing and other information is up here. For now, I'll go to App and show you how I actually create my video voices. The text-to-speech area is where I do most of my work. They do have other tools, but 99% of the time I only use the text-to-speech feature. Over here are some of the audios I've already made here. I just pasted in the first part of my story, and I've chosen a voice. If you want to hear it, we'll go right here.
Welcome to the underwater world of wonders. Today, we're following Jessica, a curious little explorer.
I actually made this yesterday, but I'll show you how I did it.
One today is worth 2 tomorrows.
There's power in looking silly and not caring that you
Government of the people, by the people.
A man is not old as long as he's seeking something.
If you want to change your voices, go here to Voices. If you see something you like, you just click to hear it. So if you want to listen to these, just click on the triangle by the name to actually hear it. Let's go back to the text-to-speech. I've already put in my text here. So once you put your text in here, click Generate Speech. If you want to redo it, you can just click here. If you want to play it, click here. If it's good for you, click right here to download it and go on to the next step. So that's how you do it. Once you're done as far as recording goes and you've got everything downloaded, the next step is to get artwork and start working on putting all this together. The next thing we need is some artwork. Normally, I would come here in Canva and click on a video, and then I would go to Elements and look for a landscape and other artwork. That's typically my process. But today, I will do something different. I'm going to share a new method I've been trying with you. We're just not starting from scratch in Canva today. I'll be working with a group of templates I bought, and they give you the ability to make videos or printable books if you're in KDP. I want to show you some examples so you can see kind of what's included and how it works. You could take these and mix and match to make something completely new, or you could use just the template as it is, but if I were you, I wouldn't do that. As you can see, the artwork is really nice. It already has placeholders for text, and some animations are already added too. Let's look at another one. So just imagine if you were using this yourself, you could add in your own story, the backgrounds, fonts, etc., or add new things of your own. So you can change all this. Remember, all this is included. This product has so many pre-made designs, so that's the best thing about it. Right now, I'm in the back end of the product. This is copy I bought for myself. You're going to get a few characters and you click here to download them. There's also some music included. There's some prompts and a few tutorials also that's included. But the main thing I bought them for were these story templates. You can see there's quite a few included. All sorts of different artwork styles, colors, fonts, all which can give the videos a totally different look. Today, I'm using the aquarium one. I'll quickly show you how it works. So if you get the package and you're inside the product, the first thing you do to access any of these templates is to click here. Then it'll open up a page like this inside your Canva account, so make sure Canva is open. Then click here to open it up. And yes, you can even use these in the free plan. Now, you can see all the different pages that are included. Each one of these pages have really pretty artwork. Some of them have animations already pre-built into them. You can change any of these. If there's something you don't like, delete it. You can also mix and match sets. That's all up to you. For now, I want to walk you through it and show you what's included in here. So you can see how things are moving. You can change the wording very easily. If you know how to use Canva, you can make all kinds of changes to these templates. If you want to add new pages, do it. Transitions, music, sound effects, that's all up to you. Take your story, put it in here, and make something completely unique. These templates are a game changer when it comes to making something really nice very quickly, without having to start from a blank page. These are tailored for kids' stories, so you could use these in your classroom, for a YouTube channel, and more. So, for this template, I took it and changed it, adding my own story. Underneath here, you can see my narration from 11 Labs. I put it in there and then I broke it into pieces as I needed to. I could add music, sound effects, or other animations, transitions, and more. But this is kind of how it works. The next thing I really like about these templates is that it's a one-time cost. The price may change depending on when you look at it, but once you purchase it, you can just go about making your videos or books on your own schedule. So, this is the Kids Vids product package. And now that you've seen it, you can decide if you want to get it for yourself. I'll leave the link for it in the description below. Do you think you could make videos or books for kids using these templates? What kind would you make first? You can tell me in the comments below.
Welcome to the underwater world of wonders. Today, we're following Jessica, a curious little explorer who's getting a very special experience. Her dad won a special after-hours family tour of the aquarium for being the best salesman of the month. Let's join Jessica as she discovers some amazing creatures up close. First stop, Jessica is surprised and excited to meet the aquarium's pet cat, Ginger. She has been a staff member for years and freely wanders through the aquarium, keeping all the visitors happy. Next, we find the magical seahorses. These tiny ocean fairies use their curly tails to grab onto coral or plants so they don't float away. And here's a fun fact. It's the seahorse dads who carry the babies in their special pouches. Isn't that cool? Jessica can't believe how small they are. Some are only as big as her pointing finger. But every little seahorse has an important role in the ocean ecosystem. Right now, Jessica is stepping into the shark area. These ocean predators may look scary, but did you know they're actually essential for keeping the ocean balanced? Sharks help control fish populations and keep the ecosystem healthy. Jessica learns that not all sharks are big and fierce. Some, like the nurse shark, are small and love to rest on the ocean floor. She's fascinated by their sharp teeth and sleek bodies. Now it's time to meet one of the ocean's smartest creatures, the octopus. Jessica watches in amazement as it camouflages itself to blend in with the rocks. Did you know an octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood? Talk about extraordinary. Jessica can't believe how clever the octopus is. She learns that these creatures are escape artists and are well known for their ability to change color. And here's something unexpected, a caiman. These little relatives of alligators are found in South America. Jessica is excited to learn that they're excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for over an hour. Jessica finds out that caimans are really shy and love quiet habitats. Seeing this incredible reptile up close is a memory she'll never forget. Aquariums like this one do more than show off amazing creatures. They help protect them. Jessica learns that every animal, big or small, plays an important role in keeping the ocean healthy. And by reducing waste and protecting their habitats, we can help each other too. Thanks to her dad's prize, Jessica got to see the wonders of the ocean up close and learn why it's so important to care for marine life. Thanks for joining Jessica on this unforgettable underwater adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more kids can discover the magic of the ocean. And remember, you don't need a special prize to make a difference. Every little effort counts.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.